Hey, it's Dave Garbino here. I want to talk to you about this awesome no-code platform that I'm actually using for a couple projects. It's called Card. They build themselves as a simple, free, fully responsive, one-page website for pretty much anything. Um, yeah, it's free and it's awesome. I'm actually a pro member, so I use it at the pro level, so I'm paying for it. One of the things I did was um, we have this website called nipay.org. It's a not-for-profit. We put on payment-related events. We all donate our time to it, and we're having issues with our hosting company. So I just quickly closed the account. Well, I didn't close the account. I pulled the site, and I recreated the just the bare basics on Card. So you saw the description, one page. Well, we need more than one page, but that's what's so cool about Card. See, this is just one page. You got the essence of who NiPay is, and we put on events. So where's the events page? Well, you got this link here, NiPay events, and we have two upcoming events that we're cross promoting, and that's another page. And you'll see here that it's hashtag events is the page, as it's really an anchor. But I'm actually able to then spin up two additional pages for each of these events. And here's a built-in countdown tool. This is a standard footer. It's able to pull it in, simply create. Got a link to another page, which is the other cross-promoted event we're doing. And yeah, in a couple hours from me recording this, I will be actually putting up our next event that we're doing, a run event, and I'll be able to put it here while at the same time I'm actually on another platform building our real website. Not to say that the Card isn't a real website, but this was something that I was able to throw together in a couple hours. Um, it is really flexible, and obviously paid level has a lot more capabilities. When I had to take our old site and migrate it away, we had another event page up, and at the paid level I was able to redirect these SEO infused links from our old site and redirect that link specifically to where I needed it to be on the Card site. So that was really, really powerful from Card. So, in summary, if you just really need something simple and you want to get it up quickly, Card is something you should definitely check out. They have some awesome templates. I'm going to probably build another quick tutorial taking you through one of those templates. A lot of people have Linktree, um, which is okay, but I'm going to show you the Card way of Linktree in the next video. So check it out, follow the link. It is an affiliate link. Check out Card because it is really powerful and will probably meet the needs of most people who need a simple website. So check it out.